Justin?
I have.
What is that? A new toy?
Yes.
Wow, can you see it? So it's the Corpse Elite. First
That's like
response.
this one. This one.
See, in the back, there's some
Whoa, this nice.
combat copter. And which one do you
Yeah.
have?
This one.
What is that? A patrol boat. So this is the patrol boat. You alright?
Yeah. And open this now.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let me see your excited face.
Yay! You need this for this.
Okay.
You need this.
Wow, nice, Justin. Woohoo! Wow, it's a power boat. Ooh. Let me see the scuba diver.
You hurt the bad guy. It's the moon.
What is that, Justin? Who's that?
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo. Scuba diver. Whoa. He fell down. Whoa.